Wind, Storms and Cyclones Part 2. You do not call me, still I'm everywhere. I will stay in your home, in your room. I shall not pay you any rent. You will not be able to catch me. You will not be able to live without me. Tell me, who am I? Yes, friends. I'm the wind. I'm sure you remember the wet winds which blew after the hot winds of the summer season. And the same wind makes our bones tremble in the winters. When I blow slowly, you can easily fly a kite, row a boat, and even animals and birds are happy. But if my mood spoils, then I convert into storms and fill the sky with sand. I even uproot the big trees. Oh, now do not get frightened. I'm in a good mood. Do you remember? In the last video, we conducted an experiment. We had taken one glass full of water and kept a square cardboard piece over it. Then we had upturned the glass. Do you remember what had happened? The glass full of water did not fall. Did you find out as to why it had happened? We learned from this experiment that I or wind exerts pressure from all the sides, even from the upper areas. Ramesh, Shyam and Mahesh had reached the professor's house after flying kites. They had a lot of queries regarding the qualities of air. Just look at the professor's house. It looks like a science laboratory. There is an experiment being conducted everywhere. Come, let us see what do the children find out from here. Learning objectives to find out the qualities of wind.
Look, the house of the professor is so interesting and fun. Look, so many bottles, glassware of different shapes and sizes, colorful liquids, and so many books. It looks like it is someone's birthday today. There are so many balloons filled with air lying here.
Come, let us ask the professor.
Hello, Professor, sir.
It seems he is busy in an experiment. Let me burst a balloon.
Hey, naughty boy.
Who is it?
It's us, sir. We were flying kites today, and it was then that we learnt about the importance of the direction of wind. But there were a lot of questions in our mind about the characteristics of wind. So we thought that who better than you to help us?
Children, we cannot see air or wind, but we can see its features around us in our everyday life. But all of you will have to look for the characteristics of wind on your own by observation.
The professor is right. Till the time you will not conduct an experiment, you will not be able to understand. Let us see what the children learn about me. All of you also observe carefully.
Professor, sir, is it someone's birthday today? There are so many balloons filled with air lying.
Oh, no. I had filled them for some experiments. Here, why don't you also try blowing them with air?
Here, I blew 4 to 5 balloons.
That is why you are gasping for breath. Wait, let me bring you some water. Come here. Look what Professor Sir is doing.
Why is he heating up the soda can? Look, now he is picking it up with a tongue. What was this? How did this happen?
Friends, wasn't this such an interesting experiment? Could you understand something? It is something which we cannot see, but it is all around us. It exerts pressure on everything, even on our earth. That is me, the wind or air. It is the atmospheric pressure. Wait, let me explain. When the professor put the can in the water basin, some of the steam inside it condenses into water, reducing the amount of air inside it. The pressure of air inside the can decreases, then the pressure of the air exerted from outside the can. As a result, the can gets distorted. This shows air exerts pressure.
Let me wear the professor's spectacles. Ramesh, beta, Did you understand anything about air pressure? Come, let us do another experiment.
You are looking like a real professor. You just need to have a mustache.
And a little bit of brain too. Okay, Professor Ramesh. Look, the professor is doing some other experiment. How many experiments does he do in a day? Look, he has put a piece of paper in the glass. Let us go and see what is he trying to do. Look, now he is burning the piece of paper and now he is placing the balloon on the glass. I think the balloon is going to burst.
Why are you so scared? Look, the balloon is slowly going inside the glass. I have never seen anything like this before.
Look, when I try and pick this balloon, it is stuck to the glass.
So friends, aren't my qualities very unique? Did you understand something from the experiment? I always flow from an area of high pressure to low pressure. So when the paper got burned, there was low air pressure in the glass and high pressure around the balloon. That is why the balloon got pulled inside the glass.
Professor Sir, we learnt a few things about the qualities of wind by observing you do the experiments. Like air exerts pressure on things around it. Wind always flows from an area of high pressure to area of low pressure.
Very good. You seem to be clever, but do not stop thinking. The air is everywhere. You must observe carefully at all the places. A lot of facts about the qualities of air are hidden around us.
Today the wind speed is going to increase. The low pressure built in the coastal regions can lead to stormy weather.
Let us go home. I do not want to get stuck in the storm.
Yes, friends. Today my speed is going to increase. In nature, there are several situations where warm air rises up. The air pressure at that place is lowered. Because of this, wind currents are generated. All of you also peep outside your windows. Look if you also see a storm coming. I change my flow and speed frequently. We shall learn more about this in the next video. Take care of yourself.